Are we live? Yes, we are live. Yes, we are live. Let's start the stream. It's 11. It's 2 a.m. It's 2 a.m. here. Let, let's start the stream. It's 2 a.m. It's 2 a.m. ST and we are right here. We are right here. Okay, everything is set up. Let's see what is going on today. It's Monday. Good morning, London. How you doing, guys? How was the weekend? So, yeah, we don't have any red folder news today on USD, right? Yeah, FMC member is speaking at 6 p.m. So it doesn't matter. Just leave it. Nothing. All clear. Okay, let's move on to the charts. Let's see what is going on. We'll start from top-down analysis. So it's a new it's a new week. So let me pull my forex.com chart. Okay, let me check audio once. Everything is set up. Yeah, audio is fine. Okay, let's get rolling. Let's start. So what is going on? Okay, let me share my screen in my Telegram group, right? If you haven't joined my Telegram group, join from the given link live on YT. Okay, that is done. Okay, let's start. So on monthly, so monthly is clearly bullish, right? It started from 34.45 and now price is at 38.05. So we'll see upcoming days. Will it hit the 4,000? Man, anything can happen. We'll see that. Right? Let's move on weekly. So yeah, weekly is clearly bullish. So remember I told that this was a bullish candle, this was a small candle, and that was a smaller candle. So I was expecting a retracement over there. But create now this candle closed as a strong body candle, right? See, strong body candle and had no wick. And now this current weekly candle opened and just pushed up, right? Breaking all-time highs. It has created new highs over there. So yeah, man, gold is pretty bullish. Can't think of shorting right now. So let me mark the zone. So this is my weekly open and it will be my daily open. So I mark like this, right? So I decide my bias from the higher time frame. So I like to mark my levels the way I'm marking right now. So I'll mark it a W open. Okay. And this was the previous all-time high. Mark it like that. So what is going on? Daily is clearly bullish. I'll mark it as daily open, right? This level is also a daily open. So yeah, there was a SR. So we can adjust that or we'll look it at lower time frames. So I'll not mark because that is like 30, 30 pips something. So how is the okay. So there was a 4 hours 4 hour resistance, right? You can call it anything. Let's mark it as 4 hour 4 hour. So see, 4 hour candle is closing above daily open. So our bias is bullish, right? We have in bullish bias. So we'll look for only for buys in that scenario. We won't look for sells right now. So buying is a high probability. What is going on? 1 hour. Nothing. Left as clean range. I think waiting for a pullback is the only thing we can look for right now. 30 minute, nothing. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 hour candle closed bullish. If it creates a steeper lower wick and break above these highs, we can look for buys, right? So yeah, waiting for a pullback. Though what it looks like on Oanda. Let me see. Same, same. Yeah, I think some people will go for buys from here because this candle is closing above consolidation, and this candle is closing above the consolidation, and people will look for buys above this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green candles. So let me see the structure on 5 minutes, right? Let's move to the our forex.com chart. What is going on? Let's break down the lower time frame. So we had a resistance over there. Price broke and close above that. Yeah, it's looking good, man. It's looking good for buys. Fuck, man. But you know the 30-minute candle pushed much there, and it's 2 p.m. and it's Monday, so I'm a little bit confused. Candle has already taken the liquidity from the lows. It's a difficult situation for me. So yeah, man. Today is Monday and we have 1 hour. to London Open, right? For every sellers, it can move up. If you want to give a shot, give it by the, I would say, wait for a minute. What's the candle size? Working candle, man. This is huge candle. 30-40 pips stop loss, right? 42 pips stop loss. Can give a shot. Yeah, but I'm not in this trade. Guys, this is all-time high, right? Every $10 is our resistance. Every $10 and $20. So anything can happen. This is difficult for me. Anything can happen. Price can steadily move back up. And see, it is pushing up. Kind of close with no top pick. Man, I'll wait for a pullback. You know, pullback is high probability. If price give a pullback, I will look for buys. I don't have much confidence in this type of buys because today is Monday and it's London session. So maybe there is low volume. So I don't have that much of trust. So yeah, we'll wait for. So see, it is retracing got that kind of closed with a small, almost no topic. So taking buys of there was a risky for me. So, but how many pips it moved? 25 to 30, 40 pips something. Is it right? The structure is still bullish until these lows are broken, right? It is creating higher highs and higher lows. See, until this structure is broken, it will create a lower low. So yeah, price is clearly bullish right now. I mark every $5, $10, and $20 as a SR zones. $5, $10, and $20. See, now it is going good. See, it is potential higher low. Now price will move back up to create a higher high. Wait for 1 minute to close this 5 minute candle. Can we take some buys? Let's see. 1 hour time frame, positive, pushing back up. 15 minute is what it is. This was the last good support. I think it is good to wait for London Open because volume is sucking right now. 6 minutes for 30 minute candle to close, right? Yeah, we'll see what will happen in next 30 minutes. Because see, from from here, candle has moved a lot. This is the only zone where I can see some support is formed. One, two, three, four, five. If we are taken buys here, it's far from the support, so it is low probability, right? On 15 minute, though it makes sense because there is some consolidation and price broken above that. But if someone took impulse entry from this from here, right, it would be good. They might capture like some good pips, right? 50, 60, 80 pips. But yeah, not for me right now. It has moved a lot. So waiting for a pullback is a good thing, I would say. So yeah, let's wait. When this candle goes like no top wick, right? I was cautious about that time because it may happen that candle go up, create a wick and flip back. That is happening. So 30 minute candle is closing as a rejection candle. So yeah, it's tough. So pull back in this scenario, pull back is the only thing we can look for. Let's see what the people doing in SRC. 90% closed at 25 pips. Yeah, someone has was taken buys at break of highs. That was good. Impulse entry. Someone was selling. It was Nishant. No, bro. Why are you selling? This happens when you, though he, though he lower his risk. So this is a good thing to note. Yeah. Forward to trading layer affects using trade setups community. See, he sells. Oh, people are in buy. Yeah, these guys are in buys because it is a setup. What was the setup? 4 hour closed in our direction, and they are looking for a continuation trade. And see, 80-30, 80-20, same SR levels they are planning. So yeah, new 30-minute candle has started. Their SLS there, right? This is what are they planning for. Prices is still blue skies. It is making higher highs and higher lows. Now it's ranging on 1 minute and breaking the structure. Let's see. Will it break the structure on 1 minute? What was the last trade? That was the last trade. That was my percent trade. See, no volume, guys. Very less volume today. This is 15-minute candle closes bullish. I'll look for the buys because then it will create a support. I think it has broken the lows, right? Yeah, it is. It is broken the lows. So yeah, people will take this Wickfell entry, but I'm not comfortable in that because I took only Wickfell when there is some kind of manipulation. What is manipulation? If this current candle broken these lows, right? It means sellers are invited. And if and then if it's started breaking the highs again of this that candle, it means all the sellers will be trapped and this will go up. It's not looking good for me. New candle. Come on, Goldie. Yeah, volume starts kicking in. Even if this 15-minute candle closes bullish, then we can look for buys. Something like that. But it needs to close as a good, strong candle. Let's see if that 5 minute kind of closes above this. If this 15 minute candle closes a good bullish candle and above this level, I'll look for buys, placing the stop loss below the current candle, and I'll aim for this 30 30 level. But and if this candle to close as a good bullish candle above this green line, and it will close in next 4 minutes. This is fucking all-time high. And if this candle closes like this new candle break down and start breaking above this highs, I will go with the 50% risk only. Because I didn't get my higher confirmation. I'll go with 50% risk if this candle closes something like this and new candle break down and start breaking above these highs. Yeah, let's wait for a more. Hmm. People are waiting for pullback. Yeah, pullback is a very high probability setup. Exactly. Nice. It's closing. It's going nice. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I'm ready. So let's before 2:45 a.m. EST. Yeah, let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There is no business to candle closing in 1 minute. Should I enter with 50% risk right now? We'll see. It is what it is. So let me check my stop loss. How much I can risk? 0.04 I can risk. 5 4. If the candle breaks highs without reaching the lower wick, I will enter from with a 50% risk. And if it creates a lower wick, I will go with the whole 1%. It is creating. So guys, I'll enter at the break of highs. Right? I will enter it at the break of highs. I will be planning some one by one. Though SL is huge, it's a 80 to 90 pip SL. But I'm expecting a push, right? This will be a partial zone. We take partials right there. I think it will take the stop loss of all the stop loss of buyers. Let's see. Oh, what I'm thinking about, if in 5 minutes, if this closes like something like this, it would be a great thing. Just think of the scenario, right? If new candle start and break below these lows, this low or this low, right? What does it mean? It means sellers will be activated, right? New candle push down little bit. Then it is it starts flipping and start pushing up. What will happen? All the sellers will be in panic, right? Because they thought they thought it will go back down, but it didn't. It started pushing back up. And as soon as it flips and goes above this, we'll take buys, aim for the big fill. Second target will be this. So what I'm saying, let me draw. If new candle, okay, let me fix it. If new candle from here start pushing down, right? Something like this. And what happens? After inviting the sellers, it moved back up and started flipping bullish, right? Like this. Then how it will look like? It will look like something this. Let me draw it little bit bigger. It will look like something this. It has broken the lows, right? It has broken the lows. It has invited the sellers, and now it is flipping back up. In that scenario, we will take buys up here. Our first target will be this. Second target will be this. It will be enough, right? We'll see if that happens, and that will be a higher confirmation too. Or else it will be a good buys also, because we will form a support on 30-minute time frame. This will be one new support. Okay, so it's 2 minutes to candle to close. Let's wait for a 2 minute. So 15 minutes is still ranging somehow. So it is getting a good support. So this may not play. Wickfill is gone. Mhm. So yeah, impulse entry would work right now. Candle is created a strong support, right? Strong support on 30-minute time frame. Good. You give us a good lower wick, then we'll look for impulse right there. First target will be this. People will go for flip, but this is still in range. So I would like to see a candle going up there. So just waiting for our setup to form. Waiting for my setup to show up. Just break below the highs. I'll took impulse over there. Fuck man, it is retracing hard, right? So just give me buys. Just flip. So I think flipping is also a good right now. Miss 41 pip SL So I am entering with the with my 50% right now, right on flip with my 50% risks. I'm going to enter on flip. Though it can be risky trade, but yeah, it's time of London. We can expect volume to push price back up. Shit. Shit. I mistakenly open my position over there. So yeah, what I was saying, I'll end. I will enter 50% of my position at the flip. Flip up 30 minutes, right? And next, I'll enter after breaking up of this highs. Yeah, man, gold is wide today. Can't. Gold is wide. Gold is always wide. What are you looking for? So, okay, I am for looking for buys after flip. It's a risky buy. Yeah, so it is a risky buy. We'll see. So, guys, today is Monday, right? Be cautious. Anything can happen. Mondays are wild. So, I'm ready to risk my 50% cap. Sorry. So, so I plan for 1% risk on every trade. So I'll take 0.50% risk there. The only thing I don't like about 30s will be will be our stop loss, right? If we are planning to take buys above that candle, it would be like our how many pips? 63 pips is stop loss. And what is current stop loss? It's like 40 pips something. Who knows what will happen? Let's wait. Nothing I can do. Just wait. So guys, where are you from, guys? You can drop your country, country name. Yeah, it is flipping. It is about to flip. It is about to flip. I am in with my 50% risk right now. I'm unable to find a good place to put my SL, right? Okay. So I'm in this trade right now. I'm in this buys right now. Uh, with my 50% risk, I've taken the flip entry. Okay, let's see. Let's see how will it. Oh fuck. Mm, should I manage? Let's see. It should continue. I can't do nothing. I can only manage my risk, nothing else. It is risky though because it it haven't broken its highs right now. and weak bearish candle. Yeah, I have risked only 50% of my capital, of my risk appetite, right? Not 50% of entire capital. I risk I risk 1% on every trade of my entire capital, and here I'm risking only 0.5% because that was a huge stop loss and the candle haven't broken its own high. If I took buys over there, it would be like 65 pips SL. So yeah, clearly that was not a thing. So yeah, it is just consolidating. Nothing else. It is just consolidating, guys. I think I do need to manage my risk. What is the time? You know, no volume. So yeah, I'm closing my I'm managing my risks right now. I will enter again when fuck it. Not looking good to me. So I have managed some of my risk. I have closed my 50% position right now. I have closed my 50% position. Guys, I have closed my 50% position right now. And if this candle start broken its high, then I will take take entry over there and put my SL below this because there is nothing up. So yeah, I think it was a great, it was good, it was good decision to cut the 50% position right there. So this is how I manage my trades. Yeah, so 15 minutes was clearly ranging. It was a good decision to cut 50% position over there. So I closed my major position over there. So yeah, I'm about my stop loss is about to hit. Let me close my one more position. So yeah, I'm out. I'm out, guys. This is Monday. This is what it is. So 30 minute was ranging. Sorry, 15 minute was ranging. So it is what it is. So we managed our risk. That was a good thing. We managed our 50% position right there. So a small loss. I was already running on 50%. Uh, I took only this position by risking my 50%, and of that 50% positions, we manage our risk. It is what it is. I'm going to close my charts right now. Okay, will admit my loss today. Check in loss. Let me post a 30 minutes chart also. There it is. Flip it. Yeah, it is what it is. Okay, guys, so I'm done for today. I'm closing the live stream. And yeah, that's it for today. Bye, guys. Take care. This was the Monday.